In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find standard deviation in modern Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the Deviation tab at the bottom of the window. This is the sheet where the example data has already been prepared, so it gives us a simple place to work through the formula. Once you're there, take a quick look at the table so you can see the values we'll be using. Next, move down to the bottom of the table where we can enter the formula in an empty cell. Choosing an empty cell below your data is a good habit because it keeps your worksheet organized and makes the result easy to spot. If you're following along with your own file, just make sure you're not placing the formula on top of any existing data. Now, in that empty cell, type equals stdev.s, followed by an opening parenthesis. As you begin typing, Excel will usually show a list of matching functions. When you see stdev.s appear, click on it to use that function. This is the standard deviation function used for a sample set of data, and in many spreadsheets, that's the version people need when analyzing a selected group of values rather than an entire population. After that, you need to reference the data you want Excel to calculate. In this example, select the full range from cell B3 through B17. You can do this by clicking cell B3 and dragging down to B17, or by typing the range directly if you prefer. Referencing the correct range is important because Excel will use every value in those cells when calculating the standard deviation. Once the range is selected, close the formula with a closing parenthesis. At this point, your formula should include the stdev.s function and the selected range from B3 to B17. Then press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately return the standard deviation for that set of numbers. This result shows how spread out the values are from the average, which can be useful when you want to understand variation in your data. A smaller standard deviation means the numbers are more closely grouped, while a larger one means they're more spread out. If you're practicing, it can be helpful to click back into the formula bar afterward and review the formula structure so you become more comfortable using functions in Excel. That's all it takes to find standard deviation in modern Excel. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.